Okay, so here's the kind of basic summary of our rotation methods. I'm going to make this file available to you, and here we have the Python, some of the Python rotation methods mapped to Grasshopper components, so we can play around with those. This picture is kind of handy to have, and this by now, I would imagine that this is kind of natural for you to think about uh, getting plain information this way. And I started out thinking that we would need more components, but I decided just to do remap point instead. So these were the components that we wrote: directional angle, and oriented plane, and rotate plane defector, and remap point. And so we have these components. These are the components that we wrote, and then I just brought all of them in. I just copy and pasted the code straight into this component, and so we're going to copy and paste this component in the future, uh, and so we can have access to all of those. And the way I did this is because I didn't want to do a library because I haven't found a really easy way to fix bugs in the library yet. So when I change the script, and even when I save it, I think usually I have to restart Rhino for it to come into the component. So I just put this, and then that way if something comes up, we can change this. Um, you'll notice that I put in a little bit of documentation for the remap point. So there's that, and then also over here I have our Python components, and what else? Okay, I'll bring in um, I'll throw in the picture just a very hard to read picture. If anybody knows how to get higher quality pictures inside of the image sampler or that, please send me an email. Okay, so yep, so this concludes the methods, getting the methods that we want, so let's move on.